आई थिंक आपने हमारी पिछली वीडियो जरूर देखी होगी. इट वॉज अबाउट डेटा एंड वाई डेटा इज इम्पोर्टेंट. और इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताने जा रहा हूँ कंप्लीट डेफिनेशन ऑफ डेटा साइंस, और इसके साथ में मैं आपको दूंगा प्रैक्टिकल एग्जाम्पल्स भी. तो आइए चलिए देखते हैं व्हाट इज डेटा साइंस. So data science is a multidisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, processes, algorithms and systems to extract knowledge and insights from structured and unstructured data. So what is the purpose? You can easily identify. Purpose is to extract knowledge and insights from where? From data only. But we discussed that data is structured also, unstructured also, and we may have semi-structured also. That means variety. Variety is structured, unstructured, semi-structured, and variety itself tells that data is big data. So from big data, we are basically extracting knowledge and insights. Then how? We are using some scientific methods, some processes, some algorithms. We are also using some systems. Using these, we are extracting. And at the beginning, it is written, it is a multidisciplinary field. So multidisciplinary means, so it works for healthcare, yes. It works for manufacturing, yes. It works for weather forecasting, yes. It works in sales and marketing, yes. Does it work in HR? Yes. It works everywhere. So all the disciplines basically need this particular data science concept or data science complete set of technology stack, all the disciplines. Let me help you with one more definition. This is one definition which makes it very clear that what is data science. A website called as datarobot.com, it says that data science is a field of study that combines domain expertise, programming skills and knowledge of maths and statistics to extract meaningful insights. Again, objective remains same. The definition changes a little bit, not changes, tweak of words, to extract meaningful insights from data, and it combines domain expertise. Domain expertise means multidisciplinary, okay, multiple domains, multiple disciplines. So if you are working into, let's say, a healthcare industry, so that is your domain expertise. If you are working into manufacturing industry, that is your domain expertise. If you are working as a HR, if you are working into operations, that is your domain expertise. So it combines, it requires your domain expertise. Many times it feels that data science is something which is very technical, very only coding is there. Yes, it is there, but at the same time, I was just taking a session and people from agricultural, they were doing graduation from specialization was agriculture and similar things. So even they can do and they can help in their domain. So this is domain expertise. Then programming. Second thing is programming. And third thing is maths and statistics, because there's certain formulas. To begin with, like we have measure of spread, measure of central tendency, to take it in a layman's term. So if I look for 10 cars and their prices, so somebody asks that, okay, tell me in a single figure that what is the cost of the car. So I will think, okay, I watched 10 cars and all of them were having different price. So I will average. I'll do average and then I'll tell, okay, this is the price which basically I was able to get the car. Okay, average. So average is measure of central tendency, mean. So this also requires maths and statistics. So a data scientist is domain expert, a programmer and mathematician, and having good knowledge of statistics, which is near to impossible. Okay, it is impossible to have all these skills to a great extent. So therefore we cannot say that a person is complete data scientist. We cannot say that. We can say that yes, he is a practicing data scientist, he is practicing it, and into his own domain. He might not be expert in all the domains, and if he is a domain expert, he might not be very good in programming. If there is a programmer, he might not be good in domain. If somebody is from statistics or mathematics, that person might not be good in programming. So there could be something high, something low, but you should have a good level of depth in all these three. Okay, you may not be expert, but you may have a good level of depth in domain, in programming, as well as maths. So a combo of this. There is one more addition. A communication is another addition into this. If somebody is good with domain, programming, and knowledge of maths also, but is not able to communicate anything, again of no use. So data science also requires a good communication, because data is going to tell something and you are going to understand that. So you should also be able to interpret in human language in easy way to your customers and clients. So this is definition of data science, and in layman's term I explain, whatever you do with data, that is a part of data science, because if you will not collect data, you can't extract any meaningful insight. If you will not store data, you can't get any meaningful insight. So whatever we do with data comes under data science itself.
मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया होगा। ये आपको आपके एग्जाम्स के लिए, इंटरव्यूज के लिए और आपकी नॉलेज को अपस्किल करने के लिए हेल्प करेगा। आप इस वीडियो को अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ में शेयर कर सकते हैं और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना और वीडियो को लाइक करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें।